Alright, here we are on the website. It shows the credit card, and right here is the 60,000 bonus points that we're going to be getting for signing up for this credit card. And that equals to $750 that we're going to be using to go on a nice little vacation. And here are the rewards that we're going to get with this credit card. 2 points on travel, airline tickets, hotel, taxis, trains, whatever you use. Also 2 points on dining worldwide, and then 1 point on all other purchases. Then also here are some travel benefits. Now we're going to apply for the Sapphire Preferred card and see what happens. I did check my credit score, and on Credit Karma it's 760. Application looks real simple. Alright, I'm going to fill this application out and we're going to continue this video. Alright, I have filled out the application, and now we're going to scroll down. This is the e-sign disclosure. Here's the annual percentage rate, your interest, 18.24% to 25.24%. Normally, I do not care about this whatsoever because I never pay any interest on any of the credit cards that I have. I pay everything in full at the end of the month. Sometimes I don't even wait till the end of the month. I just pay it off completely. But here are the fees. Balance transfer, cash advances, foreign transaction is none, which is awesome. Annual fee is $95. Penalty fees, late payment $39, return payment $39, return check none. Yeah, alright. Now we're gonna scroll down. We're going to press that we have read the terms and conditions, and we're going to press submit and see what happens. Will we get the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, or will we be declined? We're about to find out. Let's do it. Submit. Verifying your information. Oh man, we're about to see 760 credit score. We're going to see if we get this credit card or not. Awesome, we did it. Awesome, we got approved. All right, let's look at this over. So now you're approved. Awesome, thank you. You have been approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. You will receive your card, a paper copy of your agreement to 7 to 10 business days. Your credit line is $13,700. Your interest rate is 18.24 variable. All right, so there you go, guys. We just got approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. We did kind of get a low limit of only $13,700, but it will do for now. In about 90 days, we're gonna call them up and we're gonna see if we can bring it up to about 25,000, maybe 30,000. Just depends. But normally, when you apply for a credit card, they hit you with a low amount. But after 90 days, you can call them up and ask for a rate increase. And most of the time, they give you like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 extra on your credit line increase. But so far, we're approved for 13,700, which is awesome. And then here's some more information. Paperless. Of course, we're going to go paperless. We're going to save the environment. Stay connected. Of course, we're going to have all that as well. Review the terms. And let's make this happen. All right. Click. We read this, of course. Wink. Nobody reads this crap, but all right. We're going to press agree. You're all set. So now we simply wait for the card to be sent. It says 7 to 10 business days, but Chase is real quick. I have other credit cards with them, and normally on the 5th day is when I get the credit card. All right, now that we have gotten approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, our limit is $13,700, which is not bad at all. I was hoping for a little bit more, but that will do for this tutorial. Now to conclude the video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, And don't forget to check out all the other links in the description box below with the other videos on credit card churning and how we're going to go from step 1 to step 3, executing a credit card churn. I think that's a word, but I have no idea. Alright guys, there you go, the first video, and see you in the next one. Peace out.